way, my country people, it don't happen. Bayelsa big boy don't finally confess. The full video is at, my people. Not be smart, you know. For this life, it's not good to they look another person life they live. You go they use that person to do competition. You go they imitate them. Make una stop or make una not they do all those kind of things. You will not get at all. Now you better pass that person. The day when that person cup go full, you go surprise, say, now this kind of life, now this person they live so. See this one now as a cup come full, everybody can know the kind job when he they do. Not be smart, you know. If una see this guy comment section, people when they tap, they say, bro, you fresh. I tap your blessing. You do this. He come out, they spread money. They talk, say, hustle is free. Work hard, do this. Until couple come full, everybody can know say the work hard when they do. Say, now another job when not clear. Now this guy they do. Even if they give tithe, if they give offering. Huge money. The pastor not even ask and say, bro, where you for they get all this money when you take they give tithe? This guy go they spend money anyhow. My country people, not be smart, you know, things they happen for this life, my brothers and sisters. Make we not the imitate person till they live again, no. Make we not they look people life till they live, because this social media and audio life now if full lamb. Audio life and all those people when their money not clear at all, they put hand for bouting, and the innocent one go they say, I wish I be this person. The innocent one will go they put hand for bouting again. Make una watch the video. May not come be say I too talk for.
So what should I talk again? So I was told it was 40 million, so it was 30 million. They gave me 1.5 million. That is just like that. And my mom was actually healed in the hospital. My mom was healed in the hospital, so
the dollar they saw you
was not mine. It was sorry. The dollar was not mine.
Who gave you the dollar?
It was the leaders. It was their money.
The leader. Who gave you the dollar? Who's the leader?
It was a man. It was a man dollar, sir.
So Ima is the leader.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Secondly, in one of the videos, you said you only took part in only 2 kidnappings. Why are you saying you are not part of it now?
I'm not part of it. I was just misled that I should just show them where this person is. I was not involved in it.
The sharing of the ransom they gave you.
They gave me as a dash, like just take this money. That I do not do anything. They'll just take the money. That it was 1.5 million.
The $10,000 was given to you by who?
By a master.
When you changed it, was it how much?
The $10 was.
When you changed it, how much?
My own money was 1.5 inside. So the money.
When you changed the $10,000 given to you by a man?
It was 7.5 million.
Okay, secondly, in many of your videos, you seem to belong to a political party and lavishing money. Which political party do you belong to?
I'm not a politician.
Why did you parade yourself as Lion? Because that is setting a confusion as if you are related to him.
That's
Why
my
did
name.
You choose that name?
That's my name.
Lion.
Yes, sir.
Lion is your name.
Yes, sir.
From your
Yes, sir. My name is Lion. It's Jpac. It means lion. Jpac means lion.
From your calculation, how much is the total of proceeds you have made from this from kidnapping?
Sir,
your involvement.
Sir, I've not gotten anything. I'm not in the business, sir.
Before Danjuma's kidnap, before Danjuma's kidnap, you approached Danjuma that you want to open an account for your children.
I do not approach Danjuma, sir. I went there to open an account for my son. I don't went to the bank.
After Akib's kidnap.
It was 1.5. It was 3.5 million.
That's Akib ransom was 100 million, but they are saying 80 million. Then how much was given to you on Akib's own?
It was 3.5 million, sir.
You said it was 4 million and they took it.
Yes, it was 3.5. They gave me 4. It was 4 million. They gave me. It was 4 million. They now take 500. They gave me 3.5.
Who gave you?
It was a man, sir.
Who is the man?
Yes,
why did the man here? If the man is here, I point him.
So it's the one, sir.
Okay, you have confessed to playing the role of showing the house of Danjuma. What role did you play in Akim's kidnap?
I did not play any role. I was
just gave you 3 million.
like I was.
God, who showed them the house of Akim?
No, hold on. Let me answer the
One
question.
second.
What role did you play in Akim's kidnap?
I didn't play any role. We were just driving. I showed this is my boss house. It's my former boss house. That was it.
And you showed Akim's house?
Yes, sir.
You showed them Akim's house?
Yes, sir.
Didn't you know that your friends were kidnappers before you showed Akim's house to them?
No, sir. I was not aware, sir.
They gave you money.
No, he said.
Why did they say they were giving you money?
He said they have business together. They have business. Yes, sir.
Why did they give you that money?
4 million and 500. That's that.
Okay, 3.5 million. They didn't tell you why they are giving you that money?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
He said Emmanuel is his leader in the kidnapping team. Ask Emma, who is Emma? Yeah. They said Emma is related to Lion. Is he related to Lion?
I am not the leader.
Who is the leader?
I am not the leader. The leader of the kidnapping is Bale.
Who is Bale?
That's what I know about him.
Bale, where is he?
Yes.
Where is he from?
He is from Uluwasiri. Yes, sir. I
I
don't know where he is.
Why is it that you are the one distributing the ransom?
He's lying. That's his lie. He's lying.
Who is lying?
I did not give him money. No, it wasn't me that gave him money.
Who is lying?
The man behind me is lying.
So he's aware of your operation?
Yeah, he's lying. I was not the one.
Was he part of the operation?
Is Bale what happened? Say what
Okay. I don't know those people from anywhere. He is the one that worked with them, not me. I don't know anything about them. He was the one that brought the job, Akim's job, and Danjuma's job. And if anyone can reason, someone that brought job will have money more than any other person. So why is he lying? Huh?
What did he tell you go to do when he brought the job?
He brought the job that they sacked him from work and they have money, so let's kidnap them, that they will pay. I knows nothing about those people. He is the one. So that's how it happened. Him lying that I was the leader, I was the one that gave him money, all those ones are big lie. It has happened. Just say the truth on how it happened, then let's see how things will go.
Can you tell us more about the two operations?
I really don't.
Get money for this life. Ozu.
This life e good to make legit money, clean money. Not be small thing. They come out for social media, they impress people. Can imagine. I will say now, he make this money in a genuine way. He go enjoy this money. You know, enter wahala. This one and na wahala. You never know whether they go buy am or they go put am for kiri. It good to make legit money. Oh. My people, make una share this video. Make una share this video. Now, now one for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you all. Bye. If now your first time when you take it across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Ciao, everyone.